So, first off, what is a system? A system is two or more things working together. So, examples of systems would be like a solar system or a computer system. A solar system because it's got moons and planets and the sun. A computer system because it's got like the monitor and the mouse. A gaming system because it's got the controllers. So two or more things working together. Like your cardiovascular system, your heart and lungs and stuff like that. Okay, so in this tractor we got a hydraulic system. So the hydraulic system includes things like the hydraulic supply lines. These are the hydraulic cylinders. Let's come over to the other side. Up in here we have the hydraulic valves. So if I push it down, the front end goes up. That's because fluid is going into this cylinder. And then, so the front bucket's tilting. There we go. All right, so that is a hydraulic system, okay? Two or more things working together. That's it. Hey, this is Mr. Barre, and we're gonna take some notes about systems. So first off, at the top of your page, I want your name. And our title for today is Systems Day 1. And we've already talked about systems. We know that a system is two lines on the same coordinate system. So if I have a coordinate system and I have a line on it and a line on it, the solution is where those two lines cross. In the past, we have graphed those lines. We graph a line, we graph a line, we find the solution. We graph a line, we graph a line, there's the solution. But I don't want to graph them anymore. I want to find another way to find the solution. We're not going to get there today with that next method, but we're going to learn the first piece of it. And then tomorrow we're going to learn the second piece, and then we'll put them together and find a new way to solve a system. So the first piece is this. It's just plugging things into an equation. So if I know that x equals 3, and I have a slope-intercept equation of y equals 4x minus 2, I'm going to plug in the 3 and get the y. So what is y? If x equals 3 and y equals 4x minus 2, let's plug in the 3 and see what we get. And that's today's lesson right there. So y equals 4, plugging in the 3. So that 3, I'm going to plug it in right there. And what comes out? We'll have y equals 12 minus 2, or y equals 10. Okay, get that into your notes. That's what we're doing today. I'm going to do one more example, and then we'll do some practice. This is still in your notes. If x equals, let's go with 6, and y equals 1/2 x minus, let's go with minus 5. I'm going to take that x and I'm going to plug it in. And I'm going to see what comes out. So I have y equals 1/2 x, I'll put the x right there, minus 5. So this is half of 6, which is 3. So I have y equals 3 minus 5, and 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Cool. Oh, sorry. Now we're going to do a couple together. You can do this either in your notes or on a whiteboard or something. I'm going to give you a problem. I want you to plug it in. We'll do 3 of these to check for understanding. So I'm telling you x equals 9, and we're going to go with y equals 2x plus 4. You're doing this on your own. If you want to pause the video and get an answer, that would be fantastic. Okay, so what do we get? So 2 times 9 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. Y equals 22. Did you get that? Let's do another one. X equals negative 3 and y equals 2x minus 6. You plug in the negative 3 and see what comes out. Pause it if you need to. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, so this becomes negative 6 minus 6, which is negative 12. And let's do one more. If x equals, let's go with x equals, let's go with 1/2. And y equals 8, x plus 3. What do you get if you plug a 1/2 into that for x? Pause it if you need to and try it. All right. So I'm going to plug in that 1/2 right here for the x. So this is going to be 8 times 1/2 plus 3. That's not a very good 1/2, is it? Half of 8 is 4, so this is 4 plus 3, which is 7. So you get a 7. All right. Tomorrow we'll do the next piece of this, and then it'll be day 1 and day 2, and then we put them together. We'll put those 2 days together in day 3, and we'll actually learn how to solve systems without graphing it. So it's going to take us 3 days to get there. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.